Have you ever been on like a streaming site and you click on something and then some random pop-up comes up and it's like, how did that get there? I clicked a button, how has this come up? And then you click again, you get another pop-up. It's ridiculous. And basically what that is called is clickjacking. A site or someone else has put a clickable element that is invisible on top of a button or an image or something that you would usually click in order to get you to click on something that realistically you wouldn't have clicked on. So we can protect our Squarespace websites from this using a really simple toggle. So with Clickjack protection, I'm pretty sure it's already switched on, but I'll show you how to actually toggle it on if it isn't on your website. So what we want to do is go into settings, and then we want to go to developer tools, which is here. Then in here we have website protection. So you can see Clickjack protection, toggle it on, and it just prevents people from embedding weird things on your site. So imagine when you go on like a streaming website and you click something and an ad comes up. Anyway, yeah, it's that. So that'll protect you. Hit save, lovely jubbly. As I say, pretty sure it's usually already toggled on, but just in case it's not, that's where it lives. That's how to switch it on. Hopefully that helped. If it did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.